Okay, now that I made my homemade cinnamon rolls, now I need to make some tea. I want some hot tea to sip on while I'm eating my homemade cinnamon rolls. Let me show you what I got. I got all these from the tea room. Shout out to my girl at the tea room. Y'all need to go get y'all teas and stuff from her. She right here on Section and Roseline. Section and Red Road. The tea room. Got some Damiana leaf. I got some dandelion. I got some soursop leaf. I got some hibiscus flower. I got cinnamon chips. I got a blend that she made that'll knock out any cold, whatever you got. It's called COVID cocktail blend. I'm gonna mix all these together. Make me some tea. And here's my tea balls that I'm gonna use. Put the herbs in. Okay. I thought I was recording when I was in the tea. Different teas into the tea ball. I guess I wasn't. But I got this teaspoon that I use. I just scoop a little bit. Each bag of tea, whatever I want to use. Just scoop it into the balls. That's what I did for all the teas that I showed you. Once you do that, you just close them up. Close them up. Latch, lock it in. Now these only cost $3 at the tea room. I like them because I can keep using them, but you do have disposable ones that you can use, where you can make 1 to 2 cups of tea, whatever, and then throw them away. But I like these because I can keep using them because I make tea almost every day. So, but once I put the tea in there, I like to pat it, to get all the little crumbs out, because if not, it's gonna be in your cup. It's gonna be in your tea. That's why it's probably better to get the disposable tea bags, so you won't have this problem. You won't have to do this. But this is not with all the tea blends. It's just a certain blend that I use that's sifted and cut down real fine. That's it. So this is how I like to boil my water. I use a small pot. I get like 2 or 3 cups of tea out of this. Nice size cups. And so I just drop tea balls in there. Got a little hook, got a little hook. You can hook it on this. You got a little hook, but you can hook it onto the side of the pot. With your water boiling, you turn it on. Let your tea bags sit in there for about 10 minutes. And after that, we can add the sugar. All right, now I got my cinnamon roll. I got my tea. I already put sugar in it. You can use whatever type of sugar you want. You can use regular sugar, you can use cane sugar, which is what I usually use. Or you can use honey. All of it will work. Look at that tea. Look how good that looks. I got my cinnamon roll. Alright, now I'm about to eat good, so thanks for kicking it with me. Thanks for watching.